Alright guys, good morning. It is Saturday and today is opening day of the store. Before I go any further, Kuya Sid at the Rose, representing Kuya Nation today. I'll explain the missing eyeball when I see you guys. But anyways, today's opening day. We were supposed to open up at 6. You notice I said supposed to. Luisa was actually up at 4 a.m. this morning, and she ran to the market real quick, grab some things that we needed for the house, plus some things for the store. And then she got home, and I woke Hannah Grace up, and stopped at JJ's, grab a few more things, and finally made it over to the store around 7:30. But anyways, guys, today's an exciting day, and we'll see what today brings, and hope to see some of you guys that are here that had said you want to stop by the store. Hope to see you guys today. Alright guys, so there it is. There is the store. We are open for business. There's Lut. She's hanging things up, getting things ready. But let me go in here quick. Let me step in here. Let me show you a little bit of what we're selling. Of course, we got the rice. I was walking down through looking at prices, what everybody else is selling it for, and it's right around there also. We sold I think maybe half a dozen rice here in the past day or so, but we have all kinds of stuff. We got coffees, any kind of coffees you want, Great White, Nescafe, 3-in-1s, Copico coffee, that kind of sells. We got Energin, I guess that's some type of health, and of course we got iced teas and tangs and snacks like peanuts, all kinds of snacks here. These things here, vinegar pusset. Kids love these things, man. We've gone through, I think, like 3 bags and finally got a huge bag this morning. But the kids love them, and just more chips, more snacks. Picked up some chicharron this morning, and then of course we have the candy. The kids love the candy, always getting candy. These things here, these choco sticks, they sell like crazy. These super sticks, kids eat them up left and right. Kids are one of our best customers. And then, you know, we have powders and Band-Aids, pens, pencils, some of Luisa's clothing and shoes she sells. What else we got? Here's Lut hard at work. Toothbrush, glue.
You want toothbrush?
You want toothbrush? And then of course over here we have, you know, oils and sodas, or oils and C2 and water, ketchup, vinegar, soy sauces, more sodas, squid, mackerel, tuna, Alaskan sweetened condenser, salad and sandwich made, peanut butter, cheese whiz, more fruits, Yakult, gotta have the Yakult, eggs, you see how many eggs we sold, cigarettes, more snacks, let's see, spices, noodles, oil. What do we have here? What's this?
Action detergent.
Detergents, corned beef, some medication, Imperadors, San Miguel's, sodas, Top Row, laundry supplies, laundry products, diapers. What else? Then you got the third row in here. It's nothing but, let me hop on the other side. The back row here, sorry if I pan too fast, is nothing but like hair products, skin products, shoe cream, what else here? Dove, all kinds of detergents for laundry. But yeah, this is the store, and this is what we're selling. Oh, right here we got, what is this? Some kind of glue, Mighty Bond, razors, more razors. But yeah, I mean, you see it. We are hooked up. We're ready to go. Look, went to the market. She's got onions here and garlic. She's going to sell tomatoes, just different things like that. And then, of course, the freezer. We have got our ice in there. Ice is a big seller. We sell a bunch of that. And then, of course, the refrigerator with all our sodas and beers and soft drinks and, you know, things like that. But yeah, there it is. That's one thing, boy. I swear I'm gonna be hunched over after being in here for a while. You see, everything is higher or lower than me. So all day long I'm bending down and I'm standing up and I'm bumping into everything. But yeah, anyways, guys, that's what we're selling. Didn't cover all of it, but you guys could see what we have. So we're in business. All right, guys, this is my area of responsibility right here. I take care of water. Whenever Look needs water, I need water. And I also take care of anything in my reach right here. And it goes from the Happy Peanuts, the teas, the coffee, and laundry detergent. Anything in this immediate area is my responsibility. But mostly, and the most important responsibility I have here, water. I'm the water guy. And then, of course, Lut has her area of responsibility, which is all that area. All right, got Lut cooking. Lunchtime. We are having pork adobo, right?
Yeah.
And pancit. Pork adobo and pancit. What's in there? Chicken? Or pork? Oh, pork. That's what's for lunch today, guys. All right, Lut, what are you doing now?
I'm putting this oil. Last.
Wow, what?
Go. Can you give me ano?
What's that, no?
Plates or like any kind of things there so I can put this in.
Like a bowl?
Yeah.
All right, let's find a bowl. You guys know what ano is? A big bowl or a plate?
Small bowl. Any kind as well as bowl.
As long as it's a bowl. All right, we got a bowl. Like that?
Yeah.
All right.
Put it in. Thank you.
Do you guys know what ano is?
Ano?
Ano. A Filipino will say, "Can you get me the ano?" And then they'll point their lips in the direction of the ano. It could be anything.
Yeah.
You got to figure out what the ano is.
That's 5 pesos.
That's 5 pesos for a little bag of oil. So yeah, ano. Are you going to put them on the ano? Are you going to hang them from the ano?
Where?
The ano.
Where?
Oh, out there. Or look, she's filling up the little bags of oil right now. She had filled up the bigger ones right here. And she's selling them for what? 8 pesos for the big oil. Little bags here for oil. And now she is filling up the smaller ones here. And she will sell them for 5. They're a little smaller. But poor Lut, she's been filling these up. And the bags sometimes are tearing on her. And she's taken, I think, what, 2 oil baths already? 2 oil baths. The first one was really bad. She got it all over her legs and all over her feet and all over the chair and all over her pants. And she had to go into the bathroom and bidet her legs off with the bum gun. But it's very interesting. It's very fun to watch her. It's very entertaining when the bags blow up. To me, it's entertaining, but to her, she's not entertaining. You guys, Lut is exhausted. She has taken a nap on a piece of cardboard and using a sneaker as a pillow. It's been up since 4 o'clock. And she's exhausted. So she is taking a nap. Alright guys, so Lut is sleeping. And Hannah Grace is now helping out. She is the second shift. What do you think, Hannah Grace? Nothing? She's a good helper, right? She knows how to count, she knows how to add, and she knows how to speak Tagalog very well. And she also knows how to work her tablet very well. So she is set. In between customers, she is on her tablet. Right? Right, Hannah Grace? She's not very talkative today. Alright guys, the day is coming to an end, the sun is setting, and it's been a great day, it's been an amazing day. I want to thank the subscribers that came by. It was great to have you guys stop by, talk and meet you guys. You guys, the subscribers, you guys are the ones that make this channel happen, and you guys are the ones that you know, keep this channel going, and we really appreciate you guys. It's been a long day. Lut's been up since what, 4 o'clock in the morning.
Sleep like 12.
Took a little nap.
I thought that it's not really enough because I can hear the trike.
She can hear the trikes going by, and she can hear us in the store here talking and stuff, and she can hear me making mistakes. But yeah, it's been a great day, amazing day. What else you got to say about anything?
I just want to say thank you for all the subscriber, and thank you for the subscriber today. Nice to meet you guys.
That's all.
Yeah.
She's tired.
I am tired.
But
I have headache.
You have a headache now? Oh, we have medication for that. But anyways, guys, customers all day long. The kids are the best customers. They come by all the time, buy candy and sodas and things like that. And all in all, it's been a great day, an amazing day, and the journey continues tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.